Your Honor, rape, though a small word, but it carries a lot of weight. ये एक नहीं बल्कि कम से कम 3 जिंदगियां बर्बाद करता है. The victim as well as her families. I personally understand the significance of this small letter word. But using it as a weapon to ruin an innocent man's life? Yes, I am aware that my client has not been declared innocent yet, but he has not been even proven guilty. फिर भी अगर आज ये इस कोर्ट रूम से बाहर जाएगा तो विद अ लेबल ऑफ अ रेपिस्ट. अब इस समय हर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर बस एक ही चीज ट्रेंडिंग पर है, #hang the rapist your honor. And without any verdict, the entire nation has decided that they want to see my client hanged to death. He has not just lost his job, but his family, his friends, his dignity. And why? Just because one girl decided her desire, her revenge was more important enough to put my client down than the basic humanity. After hearing your end statement and the diabolical facade put forward by your client, I am tempted to say, hang my client. He has been shown to have a dicey persona. He's not been truthful towards his partner. Neither he is a proactive member of the society. But is that enough to make him a rapist? Does one statement from an equally diabolical character without the presence of a conviction evidence enough to make a guy a rapist? He's a son, a father, a friend. Well, not anymore. Because rapist or not, the smear media campaign that you have been running against him have destroyed everything he has worked for and stood towards his entire life. और अब फैक्ट्स की बात करते हैं, योर ऑनर. रेप केसेस में विक्टिम स्टेटमेंट is considered to be the main base of the case. पर एक स्टेटमेंट जो अब तक के सारे सेशंस मिलाकर 9 बार बदली गई हो, how can it even be trusted? After all the evidence my client and I have put forward, it just points towards one thing, and that is justice.